Hi guys, how's things? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough and specifications of two different major mowers here that we do be constantly asked what is the difference. So we have the major 909 HD and also your major Cyclone. So your 909 HD would be a 2.8 metre predominantly. You can also see there your Cyclone can be got and is in stock in 2.8 metre and also in a 2.5 metre. They are very well put together indeed. So the 909 HD, HD meaning heavy duty, okay? So they would be centre mounted mulcher. They do mean business to be fully gear driven as well. So there's no belts, there's no pulleys. So it'll be just pure reliable power and a lot easier on maintenance as well. And it's also twin cut swinging blade, 8 blades in total across the two rotors. So that'd be 2.8 working with. And as I said, the HD in its name would be heavy duty, so it'd be a reinforced gearbox and a 1000 RPM shearboat PTO shaft. So that would be ideal, say, for farmers who want something that's very well durable, especially for topping, even in this weather too. I suppose the Cyclone then, in the 2.8 in particular, 2.5 and 2.8 would be very similar, just obviously in different sizes. So this would be in the award-winning mower. This here is the bread and butter in the Malone. So it'll be the same tech, I suppose. It'd be a slightly more compact frame in the difference between, say, a Cyclone and the 909 HD. So I suppose the main question that people do ask, what is the difference really? So the 909 is centre mounted mulcher again. Again, as I said, fully gear driven. The Cyclone is slightly different. It'll be a rotary mulcher, so it'll be a higher power output compared to, say, the 909. It'd be a finer mulcher and also has better fuel efficiency in, say, tough conditions, where that be light stubble, cover crops and heavier scrub. Whereas the 909 HD would be, as I said, fully gear driven, better for lighter stuff and a more quality finish. So that'd be great for the likes of grass, paddocks and a lighter scrub. So for something more heavier duty, I'd be recommending the Cyclone. And for the 909 HD, more so for your lighter grass and your lighter scrub. So I do believe I've kind of went into most of the details there. I'm sure I'm probably missing something anyhow. You can't go into everything in too much detail, but for the purposes of today, that's pretty much all I'm going to say on it. Very well put together, especially Major. They're a great company. We do keep these in stock constantly and all the time, especially in this great weather here. They will sell. So if you are interested in something like this, whether that be your 909 or your Cyclone, give yourself a shout on 083 131 5178. Call into the yard. You can have a look at all the other pieces of equipment. You can see balers, tractors, whatever that may be. You can subscribe and hit the bell button. You can leave a comment there if you've seen something in the background of this video, you wanted a video or a walkthrough of it. I can also do that. That's no problem. We do videos on a daily basis here just to give people an idea of what we have and give information that probably a lot of people won't know. That was the main question we get. What's the difference between 909 and the Cyclone? I hope I've answered that question today. So I'll leave it for today, folks. So you can subscribe, hit the bell button for more videos, ring myself there or call into the yard. So if you're interested in something there, you know where to come.
And we do have a few used.
Yes, we do also have used, not only new. So if you did want something more affordable, but obviously the same quality, you can take a look at them second-hand, same spec overall. Trade-ins are considered, so if you are looking to upgrade your mower or topper or whatever, you can do so as well. So if you are interested there, second-hand, new, Cyclone or 900 HD, you know where to come.